Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gas. Earlier in the workshop we had a Audi, I think it was a Q2 in with the 1 litre petrol engine. Engine code, I think it was CHZA. It come in with a EPC light on, engine management light. Vehicle wouldn't drive, just in limp mode, wouldn't rev up. So what I've done is I've given it a fault scan using VCDS, and we've got P1588, and that's coming up with the throttle actuator G186. It's quite a common fault on these, but basically we've got our unit there. That's like the throttle valve module, and then inside of that module we've got our G186, which is the throttle valve, which we've got a fault with, and then we've got G187 and G188 inside of there as well, which are the throttle valve drive angle sensors. So it's coming up with an electrical malfunction. What I've done is I've tested my wires first, they're all fine. And then I'm just going to show you what actually happens with these. So what I'll do is I'll just flip the cover off. And we'll take a look inside. Get these last two off, a bit awkward. Right, they're off. One more on the side, two more. One left. That one is off. And then what we'll do is, this one's the old unit anyway, so I'm not too fussed about breaking it too much. But we'll just strip it down. So we've got it all in pieces there now. You can see that in the camera. Then what we're looking for is this little spring underneath, because at the minute it's not springing back. So what I'll do is I'll just take that plastic gear off, and we'll see if this main gear will come off. Not sure if that will come off there or not. It probably won't come off, but underneath there, I mean, I can see already the spring's broke. So the spring in there, it's just snapped. Like I say, this is the old unit, so let me just pry that off, and I'll show you what bit breaks inside. So I've just broke the gear off. Like I say, this is the old unit anyway, so I'm not too fussed about saving it. This video is just to show you exactly what happens. So just inside of there you can just see the spring. Hopefully you can see that right in the camera. But it just snaps in the middle, and then you've just got no throttle. But yeah, that is the issue if you come across that fault code. Get a light in there, see if you can see that a bit better. Yeah, just in there. You can just see where the spring snaps. And that is the issue on these throttle bodies. I think a new one from Audi, just over £500, so not a cheap unit. I didn't get a chance to do a video on the car because we've just been that busy. Customer was in a bit of a rush for his car back, so we just turned it around quick. But like I say, as soon as we plugged it in, tested, knew it was a spring had broke on there. So yeah, I hope it's helped some of you out. If you've come across that fault, let me know in the comments. I hope you found this short video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, and give the video a like, and we'll see you in the next one.